Guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today I've got a good one for you. We're talking about a side dish, a barbecue side dish. We're talking about one that, man, whenever we serve it back here on Barbecue Boulevard, everybody goes crazy about it. We're talking about a smoked habanero peach baked beans. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so to get this recipe started here, I've got some bacon and onions that I rendered down. Now, I happen to use some thick cut homemade smoked bacon. Use whatever bacon is your favorite, but all I did was chop up the onions, chop up the bacon, and then render it down. Now, with the onions, we're not looking for the onions to be cooked down. We're just getting them started to get them a little translucent. But more importantly, we're trying to render some of that fat out of the bacon because that fat is gonna give us flavor. Now we're just adding our beans right into our pan with our onions and our bacon. To that, we're gonna add some peach preserves. We've got some brown sugar. Now we definitely gotta add some Pit Boss sweet heat to it here. So we're gonna add a little sweet heat here. We're gonna add a few dashes of our W sauce. We gotta add a little bit of Dijon mustard. We're gonna add some hot sauce just because I like it to be a little spicy. And then we're gonna give it a little bit of habanero powder. Now we're gonna give this a mix. Now we're just giving it an initial mix just to kind of get everything started. Now last going in is gonna be this Pit Boss brand St. Louis hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. That's what I've got in my squeeze bottle here, so we're gonna get some put in. We're gonna get that mixed through. Now last up, we've got some peaches, guys. So we're just gonna kind of sprinkle some peaches in. Now you could chop your peaches up if you want to. I kind of like leaving them whole and kind of let them float around on the top there. So that's what we're gonna do with this one. We're gonna leave it just like this. And now we're ready to get this onto our grill. Now today we're gonna be breaking out the new Pit Boss Vertical. This is our Sportsman 7 series, so let's get it on. All right, so our beans are on. We'll get the door closed. And we'll let it go. All right, so today we're doing a barbecue side dish, guys. So it makes me wonder, when you guys are doing your barbecues, what's your favorite barbecue side dish you like to serve? Pop that in the comments down there and let's talk about it. All right, guys, so our beans have been going now for about an hour and a half, and I think it's time for us to take a look at them and see how well they are progressing. All right, now that is how our beans are looking right here. They're bubbling away nicely. And I think they're looking pretty good. Now, I think I'm probably gonna go ahead and get these off and let them cool off, and then we'll be able to go in for that taste test. All right, guys, so here we've got our beans, and I love the way they've darkened up and got that just rich look to them. They smell phenomenal. The peaches are just, they're speaking to me. So we got to go in for this taste test here. So let's see if we can get some of these beans here. All right, so there you go. That's what it's looking like. All right, let's go in for that taste test. All right, cheers. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Man, these beans, I'm telling you, they got the nice heat to it. They've got the sweet, the peachy flavor. All of that is coming through. This is a fantastic dish, guys. You're gonna have to give this a shot. Thank you for stopping by here on Barbecue Boulevard with the Dogfather. About to get into these beans. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.